Hi guys, so I'm gonna give you a tour of our new booth. So this is the door. Eto, umiilaw yan kapag ka nagsasalita ang DJ sa loob. But whatever. Hi sir, I'm making a video. Yeah. Sir! So, ayan. Magpasok over here. Shelf of our awards, Gandingan and Golden Dove. And this is my Sir Mars. And then over here is the DJ's table. The main DJ, the co-DJ, and the visitors here. Ate Dana. Jaiho, say hi. Wala, anik-anik sir. And this is Chito Moreno. Oh yeah. So that is the main DJ. Huh? Go. Okay. So eto yung dating iba't ibang boxes. May special participation yung DJ Hasmin. Wala, anik-anik lang sa YouTube. At eto, producer's table, PC, printer, speaker, monitor for the live stream, camera there, and camera over here. There you go. YouTube. Yeah, I have my YouTube account. So, huh?
Have your own channel?
I have my own channel.
Nice.
There you go. Eto, umiilaw yan pag magsasalita yung DJ. Yeah. See how cool and bright our new booth is? So yeah. Oh, by the way, kung hindi nyo napapansin, this is like parang speakers. See that? But it's fake. Haha. MOR 101 point. That's it. So para sa mga gustong dumalaw, just wait for further announcement kung kailan pwede na tumanggap ng mga kapamilya. And that is Miss Check, my former AP. Not anymore. Ayan. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the tour.